Jemimah Najeri Kuria from Kenya. I came to India on 22nd of March. I had a problem with my hip, and it was to be done a procedure, that is revision hip replacement. And I contacted Mr. Waham, and he made arrangement for us to come to India to hospital. When we came, he received us so well. He was there at the point of the airport to meet us, and he came, he met us at the airport, and then that very day on 23rd, when we arrived here, in the afternoon, he took us to the hospital where we met the doctor who was to perform the procedure. The doctor advised us to take some investigations, medical investigations, which was very thorough. I had to take a CT scan, MRI, X-rays, and other examinations to see how the heart is functioning. Those tests took about 2 days, and then after the tests, the results were lower. They were taken back to the doctor, and the doctor, after looking at the results, I was admitted to the hospital after 4 days, and when I was admitted, after 1 day, I was taken to theater where I was operated on. I had now my hip revision replacement done, and it was well done. After the operation, I had to stay in the ICU for 2 days for investigations and thorough scrutiny, after which I went to the normal ward. And after the normal ward, I had services of many doctors, nurses. Actually, I was impressed by the attention I was getting from the doctors, from the nurses. They were there full time. You would not miss anybody around you at any time. So for any eventuality, they were there to assist, and they were very, very much willing. Whenever you called upon them, they would respond very, very fast, and they would come and assist you accordingly. So the services of the hospital, they were tremendous, very good. At the same time, the health team, that is Rawa health team, I was impressed by their services. They were there for me all the time. They would come every day to see what is happening, to see if I had any problem, and if there was, they would address the problem there and then. There was no day we would pass without having them visit us in the hospital. Even after hospital. In the hospital I stayed for 5 days, after which I was discharged, partly discharged because we went to the hotel, and from there I had to go through medications, and they even got me a nurse who would come to administer injections, which I was getting morning and evening. There were also other medications that I was taking, and they would see to it that all those medications were there. And in the hotel, I stayed for about 3 weeks, and still I was getting their attention. And whenever we had to go to the doctor, they would come for me. We would go to see the doctor, and then back to the hotel. So I would say, all in all, I've had very good treatment. At the same time, I was accorded very good services from the Rawa Health Services, and actually I was impressed by their attention and their kind of dignified work and passionate way of doing things. So I would want to thank them very much for their services, and even for the doctors who treated me. I would also thank them because it was good. It was a job well done. So thank you for the services. We want to thank you very much for your services, and continue the same way. And I'm sure when we go back home, we shall recommend your services to many other people, because we have seen it in reality. In reality, it is good service, and we are very much pleased. We are satisfied, and we say we got 100% kind of attention. So thank you very much.